There are two good news coming from Tesla Giga Berlin, friends, today. One of them is this one, and the next one I will report in a separate report. Tesla clears first hurdle to expand factory Giga Berlin site by 100 hectares. In this report, I'm going to tell you what it means. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harian from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and give us thumbs up if you find this report informative and helpful. Only a few months after the start of production at Giga Berlin, Tesla is already working on expanding the Giga Berlin site in Grünheide in Germany. The train station, training rooms, and logistics are to be built on an additional 100 hectares. Critics, however, fear further water consumption. The municipality of Grünheide in the Oder-Spree district took the first step towards a significant expansion of the Tesla factory on yesterday. A majority of the main committee waived the US carmaker's plans through in the evening and recommended that the local council initiate a procedure for a new development plans. Tesla wants to build around 100 additional hectares in Grünheide. Employee Alexander Riederer said at the meeting about the project, logistics areas, rooms for employees to relax, I think I like this, training centers for Tesla employees in Grünheide, but also childcare facilities are to be created. There will also be an auto repair shop. I really like the childcare facility idea. It's good that Tesla is going to do something for its employees that are new in the region, expanding the region, and somebody can watch the children while parents are working for Tesla. I hope they teach good things to these children. In addition, the company plans to have its own freight depot. In addition, there will be rail and freight traffic, which we want to develop here on the site, said Tesla. In addition, there will also be a number of transshipment warehouses and parking spaces that are also to be realized there, said Alexander Riederer, Tesla employee, before the main committee. He emphasized that as much traffic as possible should be shifted from road to rail. I see Tesla is preparing really hard to make the railroad work for Giga Berlin. Riederer also addressed the scarcity of water in his presentation. He said, if you look at the usage of planning goals, these are all things that require little to no water. A freight yard doesn't need water, except maybe a toilet. However, Riederer was not able to convince everyone present with this. Thorsten Riesberg, for example, lives in Grünheide and remains skeptical, reports RBB24. The water requirement should be low. Okay, but that doesn't solve the problem, he said. And what if I find much more frightening, and actually he said, what I find much more frightening is that Tesla has not said a word about production on the new areas. In fact, the Responsible Water Association, Strasbourg-Erkner, announced that it would block all new construction projects because it was not allowed to pump enough water for them. Now, but there is a long way before Tesla starts this construction at Giga Berlin. The members of the main committee waived Tesla's plan through on Thursday with a 5-4 majority. However, the plan has not yet been finally decided. Only at the end of the month does the Grünheide community representative meeting have to agree. After that, all competent authorities have to comment. Mayor Arnie Cristiani was confident that the water issue would then be clarified. Then we will see what statement comes from the WSC, Water Association, about the quantities of water actually required and whether these can be made available. These quantities of water, I mean. If all goes according to plan, Tesla could start construction of this new 100-hectare expansion at Giga Berlin in a year or two. Apparently, the work needs to start today, so they can start the construction in a year or two. According to the municipality, the new area is the immediate vicinity of the current 300-hectare site. A new B plan is required for this. Environmentalists criticize plans to initiate a development plan procedure to expand the Tesla site in Grünheide near Berlin. The Association for Nature and Landscape Brandenburg announced on Saturday that part of the area is a water protection area that prohibits the conversion of forest to another type of use. in an initial expansion phase, Tesla wants to produce around 500,000 vehicles, starting with Model Y, a year and employ around 12,000 people. But as I reported earlier today, based on Elon Musk's email to all Tesla employees and executives seen by Reuters, Tesla is planning to cut 10% of its workforce and also freeze all hiring because Elon Musk has a very super bad feeling about the economy. The battery factory planned by company boss Elon Musk is still under construction at Giga Berlin. The county actually approved the car and battery factories in March. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Let me know your thoughts. Let's continue the discussion about all of these happenings. How are your feelings about all of this in the comment section below? And please give us thumbs up if you found this report informative. I'll see you soon in our next report.